Hey, what's up Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be testing out the Umidigi F1 and its ability to actually use 4G on the Metro by T-Mobile service. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Stay tuned. Before I start this video, I do want to give you guys some sort of proof, and I am using the SIM slot 1 with T-Mobile, so I am using T-Mobile right there. You guys can pick a color. I picked the SIM card as blue, and this actually does have a dual SIM slot in it, which is actually really cool, but this is on Metro by T-Mobile's service. But I actually have really good news. This is working on 4G for Metro by T-Mobile. So I actually went outside, and I was using the roaming data, and it's actually pretty fast. So we're gonna go ahead and test a few things out right here. The first thing being that I'm gonna be calling my friend Kevin Breeze right here. If you guys are not subscribed to him already, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call him up, and as you guys see, we have HD calling on here, so HD voice calling. And we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. Now do keep in mind that we're going to the drop down bar menu, and we are not going to be using Wi-Fi but only mobile data. But as you guys see with the bars, I am in the Phoenix, Arizona area, and it is at about 3 bars, almost full bars, so the coverage has been pretty decent so far. Alright guys, so we're calling Kevin Breezy right now. We're gonna go ahead and talk to him on HD voice calling. Hey, what's up man, can you hear me? Awesome, cool. So as you guys see right here, we have the logo HD calling, and it even sounds pretty decent on speaker, right Kev?
It does. I think there's one important message though that everyone watching this should get, and that is to subscribe to TechRight.
Appreciate it, and subscribe to Kevin Breeze. Also, we can go ahead and add calls, put them on hold, press mute, go back to the keypad, but we can actually record phone calls. So if you click that button, you're gonna get this red flashing dot right here, and it's going to be actually recording the call. So that's pretty insane stuff right there. Pretty crazy. So yeah, it works great with calling.
I give you permission to record my call.
Oh crap, NSA. All right, let's leave. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick web search as well. But this is on 4G, as I said before, and we're actually getting full bars right now, which is really awesome on the Umidigi F1. Remember, this is Metro by T-Mobile. I did star 228 and I actually called Metro by T-Mobile, and they hooked it up for me for free. Again, if you guys can't get an automated service to go ahead and switch out your phone from your last phone. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and search up TechRight, see how fast this actually is. Let's go ahead and search this up. TechRight, boom. So that was really fast actually. Let's go ahead and go to what should we do right here? Let's go to TechRight LinkedIn. This isn't me by the way, but it's really quick actually, super quick. So let's go to TechRight Solutions. Pretty decent though, loads the web page fine. Let me go ahead and go to Motorola.com. Check this out real quick. Motorola.com, boom. See how fast this loads. And this is on 4G speeds right here, guys. Pretty decent stuff right here that I'm seeing. Other thing as well, let's go ahead and try to stream a YouTube video.
What's going on, everyone?
And it is actually streaming fine. In 720p as well. Streaming perfectly.
This is actually the first
Look at that.
From Umidigi that I've ever gotten here in the
Not
office.
using Wi-Fi whatsoever. Just 4G mobile data.
I also recently got the Umidigi
Works really well. And also, if you guys want to go ahead and go on social media, let's go to Instagram, see if this works. Let's go ahead and log in as TechRight. That's me if you guys want to follow me, tech.right. Alright guys, so I'm fully logged in now, and as you guys see, it's working perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and send a text through direct message to actually Kevin Breeze and see if he gets it really quick. And Kevin Breeze is right here. Let's go ahead and say hi. Let's see if he gets it. I said hi. Let's see if he says hi back. And he already read it. He's typing right now, and he said hey. So next thing I want to check on this as well is if we can video call. So I'm going to go ahead and video call him on Instagram and see what happens. All right guys, so we're right here. Camera actually looks, yo, what's up bro? Does it look decent? The camera actually looks really good, to be honest.
Yeah, it looks really good. You know, I was taking a nap and you woke me up, but you know, it's all right.
Yo, it looks good though, right?
Yeah, nice and clear. Wow.
It's clear.
I'm pretty shocked at that. I mean, we do have that 16 megapixel front-facing camera there. So
Yeah,
I'm not really shocked that it looks good.
Yeah, it looks really decent actually. It's maybe a little too decent. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
But video calling works.
Detail.
Yep. How is it? Is like 30 frames per second, like perfect? No.
Nice and clear.
No lag?
No lag.
Awesome. So
You're right here in front of me.
awesome. You heard it from Kevin Breeze. No lag at all. So as you guys saw right there, pretty impressive stuff. Like super impressive actually to me. Now if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase the device, I will pin a link in the first comment down below, as well as going ahead and put it in the description. It is going to be an affiliate link, so if you guys do purchase a phone or the Umidigi F1, it will definitely help the channel out. Yeah guys, everything works good on the Umidigi F1. I'm really loving it so far. If I do have any problems guys, definitely make sure to stay tuned by hitting that subscribe button if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already, and also hit the notification bell because I will be uploading my full review on the Umidigi F1 very soon. But yeah, definitely loving the phone so far. Again, shout out to Kevin Breeze for being in the video. Really huge shout out to this guy. Really amazing videos on his channel, so go ahead and check him out. But this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.